Our journey starts not in Bali, but suspended in transit amid dreams and airport coffees. We had a 4-hour layover in Kuala Lumpur, and like any good traveler, we made the most of it. Stretching our legs, people watching and silently counting down the minutes to paradise. Kuala Lumpur International Airport is sleek, modern, and surprisingly calm. Or probably it was the time of the day when it stays calm. Between overpriced sandwiches and duty-free daydreams, the anticipation was real. 4 hours gave us just enough time to breathe, recharge, and mentally pack for what's next.
After having a 4 hours of flight from Dhaka to Malaysia, now we are waiting at Kuala Lumpur Airport, and here we are having a 4 hours of layover. Then we'll have another flight to Denpasar Airport, which will be a 3 hours flight approximately.
We gathered ourselves to get some sandwiches or coffees from the grocery stores of the airport.
One of the most beautiful places in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur Airport, is this place. It's made of fake tropical forest, but it gives you a great natural freshness and good vibe. So when you were waiting for transit in Kuala Lumpur Airport or like visiting here, you can visit this place. And now we are boarding for the flight of Denpasar from Malaysia. Finally, we have reached Bali. Now let's see what's waiting for us.
The island of gods greeted us with warm winds and even warmer smiles. We touched down just in time for golden hour, that soft light that makes even the jet lag feel cinematic. We're a group of 70 people, so we booked 3 buses for us. And it was all done by none other than SSC Holidays, our travel agent. Even the roads of Bali looks quite vibrant and quite cinematic. And then we reached our hotel, Sun Island. It was in the area what calls Legion. And the hotel lobby, my goodness, it was so aesthetic, so warm, so welcoming.
Okay, I think I will give all the key first. I think after that you can go there, and I will give you the second keys. Make me easy first.
People were all gathered here for their room keys.
I think that's our room, and there will be a nice view in the morning. We can see there is a fountain and all. This will be our room for next couple of days. Quite simple and spacious.
And just after getting freshened up, we just got ourselves down to the street just to explore our locality, the area beside hotel. It was actually dinner time or past dinner time, but we were hungry. We were up for some food. The city always gives you a very festive vibe.
Ayon ভাই কেমন আছেন?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
কেমন লাগছে আপনার বালি?
বেশ লাগছে ভালো। বেশ লাগছে।
আমরা খিদা লাগছে আর আমরা এখন হোটেলের সামনে দাঁড়ায় আছি। আমার গলাটা ভেঙে গেছে, এই জন্য খুব কষ্ট পাচ্ছি।
দুঃখিত আমরা সবাই দুঃখিত।
আসলে
কেন কোনো
খাওয়া দাওয়া করতে
শীতে আসলে পরে জোরে চেঁচাতে বলা কেন?
তার আগে ভেঙে গেছে ভাই।
This place calls Warung Mina. It was a couple of shops ahead of our hotel, and we chose this place for our dinner. The chefs here were very friendly. They got myself into the kitchen, and it was very interesting to see how they prepare Balinese food. And Balinese food is really very vibrant and yummy. After our dinner, we headed to the beach, Kuta Beach, one of the nearest from our hotel, and this place was really vibrant. There were people around here who were having some street food, and they were enjoying themselves just like us. And that's Piran Bhai himself, my best tour mate from this tour. People were eating, some of them were singing, and there were people around here, they were skating. It seems like a night workout. The stalls around here were serving Balinese food, and they were selling noodles, and some of them were selling juices. A very relaxing place. After strolling around for a few minutes, we called it a night, and we're looking forward for more adventures.